Hey guys, so right now I'm going to break down Max Park's 2.94. He recently got it, so amazing. So the scrambles in the description box. So he makes some white cross. So here are the pieces: blue, red, orange, green. So he does a D, R prime, a D, and at the same time he does U, and then does R, and then this matches, and then he does a F and D, and here's a X cross. So then he solves this pair, green and orange pair, by doing this, inserting this. Then he solves this pairs into the back like this. Then he got this pair. Then he inserts it like this. Then he got TK SOLL F R U R prime U prime F prime and a PLL skip A U F U 2, and the cube is solved insanely fast, 2.94. So subscribe to me or follow, and yep, thanks for watching.